What's up, everybody? This is Kyle, SFL240SX on Instagram. I've been hosting S Chassis and Skyline meets in South Florida for almost 20 years now. Welcome to my channel. So two of my favorite charities are Make-A-Wish and St. Jude, and I try to give a couple dollars to them each year. This year, St. Jude sent me their thank you for last year's donation, and rather than just repeat that and send a few dollars this year, I had a different idea in mind. Being in a privileged position as a car enthusiast, I collect some things, and I figured maybe if I did a giveaway of some of my collectibles, maybe I could raise a few more dollars for this charity and some of the others. What I did was I reached out to some friends of mine, I asked them if they had any favorite charities, and I'm going to compile a list. All you have to do is donate a minimum of $5 to one of the charities from the list, and you're going to be entered into the giveaway to win one of these items I'm about to show you. And some of my friends might even pitch in some other items from their own collections, so this is not going to be the only ones you'll see. First off, we're going to have the SFL240SX t-shirt along with a sticker pack. Also, we're going to have the Nismo Face Mask with the 2020 dumpster fire of COVID-19. We've also got some Nismo slippers. These will fit perfectly if you are a size 9 all the way through 10. We've got the Work Wheels carbon fiber pattern neck pillows. These are great for long drives. They attach to the seat and they'll come as a pair. We've got a Lean Customs Shinku Classics hauler along with the R34. And we've got the Hot Wheels S14. So what you'll do is after you donate, you just go ahead and send me a screenshot confirming that you did do the donation, and send it to me via Instagram at SFL240SX, and let's just do some good in this year. Big thank you to Tung Lee, aka Varus M4, for donating this HKS Tone Ratchet keychain, Toyo Mechanics gloves, and Hot Wheels R34 hauler. Big thank you also to Mike Jones, aka Parts for Nissans, for donating this Nismo phone holder, Nismo lanyard, and Nissan hat. Might even have some more giveaway items from other friends, so keep an eye on my Instagram page at SFL240SX for updates. Here's a list of charities, how to donate, and the giveaway rules. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. For daily content, follow me on Instagram at SFL240SX. I'll see you in the next video.